What's up, everybody? It's me, Miss T, and thanks for checking out the answer key. Today, I'm excited to calm myself, dive in. My goodness. Oh, yes, look, we're not here to play any sorts of games. No pause. We just getting right into it. First leg up, first leg seen. We're here for it. Already. Oh my goodness. Because they know what time it is. And they say, I'm not even gonna fight you, sis. I hope you are having an amazing day. The weekend is upon us. July is here. And I was like, that's cool. Thank you. Fantastic. Okay. Oh, excuse me. I told you I did not eat after that something. It's literally on and cracking. Okay. Excuse me. So I was like, okay, cool, And it's been cute. Especially, oh my goodness, they have all the throwback cartoons. I was like, oh, we're about to be watching this when they go to bed. You know what I'm saying? It's been great. But guess what? And it's good. Ooh, that's good. That air fryer corn. Oh, we still up in there. Tried to hide. Sight. So, tonight, I am going to, well, at some point this weekend, maybe not tonight, because I have my DVR. Somehow my DVR is full. And I'm like, how did this even happen? I've been here. I'm going to tell you why. Because, oh, look at that drip. What? I'm gonna tell you exactly how it happened though. Because we have so many outlets, and everybody has different tastes and different preferences. So if somebody is watching something on TV or I don't particularly care for, I'm on YouTube, period. Not a problem. There is no, like, oh, you really have to get off there right now because I need to see such and such. You remember back in the day, there was urgency. You had to be home by a certain time because your show was coming on. Oh, man. I could already see where we're, oh, we might have some hope. We might have some hope. Oh, because you super thick like this. I knew it. Hips. That's okay. Still good though. Mm-hmm. It's a thick open. Ooh. mm. I get it. I got hit too. Well, anyway, that's another discussion for another day. So, we are finding that the DVR is getting full because if it's something we all watch and this one's busy or that one's busy, somebody's busy doing something else, we just haven't gotten to it. So tonight we need to do that. Mm-hmm. Very flavorful. Mm. 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 Oh my goodness. Oh, almost forgot about a shrimpy shrimp. Take a dip. Mm. Y'all see I'm still rocking the shell on. Still rocking with the shell on. I am. It's good, y'all. Still rocking with the shell on. Oh, the tail is, oh, you missed a little nub there. The little nubby. That's okay. Mm. Mm-hmm. Okay. We got a big, a big bag of these Argentinian shrimp. When I tell you they are so flavorful, oh my gosh, they are like so good. I don't know what it is, but they are just full of flavor. They're so sweet. It's like, those things are so good. They really are good, y'all. But anyway, so we will be clearing out that DVR. Gotta be gentle with it. Let's go for a little dye. So, what did you do today? And I'm not having it. Come on out. Come on. Okay, try to put up a fight. I don't think so. I don't think so. Trying to avoid getting anything on my glasses this time. Sheesh. These have been extra juicy lately. Okay. Gotta get all that flavor. Whip it on around. Whip it around. Break it on down. One more dip. Here's to you. I hope you had a fabulous weekend. I will enjoy this last bite. The rest. It was good. Thank you, thank you, thank you for stopping by the answer key today. I thoroughly enjoyed our sit down. Everything was delicious. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment beneath this video. I would love, love, love to hear from you. In the meantime, in between time, till our next video, you take care of yourself, okay? I'll see you soon. Bye.